Hey all you DMS science students, it's Mrs. Kashara back with you again for another electromagnetic lab. So this time what we're focusing on is the length of the nail. Now I know ideally would be great if we had a 2-inch, a 3-inch, and a 4-inch nail, but what I was able to scrounge up in the back is a 2.5-inch nail, a 3-inch nail, and then a 4-inch nail. And so we're going to work with a 4-inch nail right now. This is just wire, 18 gauge wire that I had been using. We want to just use the same wire. We want to keep it constant. Remember that when we coil it up, I did this previously, we want to coil it so that it is tight onto the nail. We want to take our battery and we're going to make sure we make a complete circuit, close it up, and allow those electrons to flow through the wire, through into the nail, and then out, back into the battery and back and forth, so that we are changing and altering the atoms inside the nail so that they become aligned and become a magnet. So here's our paper clips. And we're going to see how many paper clips. This is the 4-inch nail, as I stated before. Excuse me, 3-inch nail. We don't have a 4-inch. This is a 3-inch nail, and we're just seeing how many paper clips we can pick up with this. Now, ideally, we don't want any hanging on the ends because of the nail. We want it being able to pick it up, being a magnet. So let's just drop them, and then we'll count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of them on the 3-inch nail. So then my 2-inch nail is a little bit smaller. This is not tight on there. Take that off, and I'm going to make sure that these are wound tighter around the nail. Okay, it's a lot tighter on there. Again, we're using the same length of wire, keeping it constant, and the coil wrapping around. So let's attach this. Let's see what kind of electromagnet we can have with this 2-inch nail. All right, let's see if we can pick up any. Looks like we can. And we'll drop those away. Let's disconnect. Boing. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 on that one. All right. And let's see what we get with the results of the 1.5-inch nail. Now this is a lot smaller, but it's also a lot thicker. So my coils are going to have to be a little bit different. Loosen those up. And well, I am going to have to take some time to do this. Look what a mess this is. All right, stretch this out. Let's try to coil around. Again, we want to try to have a tight coil around them. It does become difficult using the same wire because the coil is already pre-wound. I'm going to do my best. You might even take it on the table, try to straighten it out. And let's see what we can do with this one. It's not as pretty, but here are ends attached. This one does not seem to be picking up any. Oh, no, we got some. We got one. And it looks like we had one. All right, let's jot that down.